money.
with zero investment. Top 3 best
Platforms. Number 1.
Earn.
From Fiverr.
Number 2.
Earn.
From Upwork.
Earn.
From YouTube.
You have to learn some basic skills. All skills are digitally.
You must have Android phone or laptop.
Graphics, designs.
Voice-over skill.
Video editing, ensure quality of video.
After understanding and learning all these skills,
You can start working hard on any of these platforms.
But today we will discuss about YouTube. Let us watch.
Make qualitative video upload on YouTube.
Get million of views. Go, get ready. Time is start your success.
stay connected with the whole world through such success.
In this way, the more views you get on the videos, the more you will earn. Through your hard work and talent, reach the corners of the world. You can use any social media platform for more engagements.